Hi everyone. I would like to demonstrate you a tool that uses AI, Microsoft Learn website information, and also RFPIO knowledge base to answer requests for proposals automatically. This is a tool that I created recently, and it shows really great results, which I'm going to show you today in this quick demo. My name is Sergey Vlasov. I'm a cross-functional technology specialist from Australia, and I've been working with Microsoft products for about last 18, 20 years already. So the tool that I'm going to show you is called RFPSmart. It uses the latest AI technology. It uses all the information from Microsoft Learn website. It uses all the RFPIO knowledge to answer RFPs. And basically, based on my latest tests, I believe it can answer more than 80% correct. You can see the stats on the screenshot here, but what I'm going to do now, I'll go through the demonstration of the product and I'll show you in maybe next 2-3 minutes how it really works. Henrietta will help me to demonstrate RFPSmart. She's a technology seller and she answers lots of RFPs every year. She would like to save number of hours or hundreds of hours of her time to automate that response process. So what we'll do next, we will have a look at the application. Here's the first intro page of the RFPSmart. And there's a number of steps that will guide you through to explain how it all works. And I definitely recommend to go through the steps to understand how it works. And there are the most important steps is to download the template that RFPSmart works with. It only works with its own template, doesn't work with any custom files. However, the process to copy paste your original RFP questions to the template is quite straightforward and will take maybe just a few minutes for you. Finally, of course, once you populate the template, you upload the template and send it to the app. The response time may differ and depends on the number of questions you have, depends on the number of RFPs running in parallel, but usually it will take just a couple of minutes for a few hundred questions. Finally, what you'll receive is an email with the response file. It will give you the answers that the application created. So you'll be able to review those answers and make sure that every answer is correct. So we don't really trust the app itself, right? So we definitely need to do an eye check of every answer and validate it's ready to be sent to the customer. So then let's now maybe have a look at the application itself and do the quick test. So when you open the template first, it will show you the how-to guide on the first Excel worksheet, and you'll be able to see the screenshots and explanation how everything works in this file and what you need to do. You also have the access to the filters tab, which shows you all available products or / categories that you can use for the filtering. So basically, this is something that you will use to tell the application where you need to search for the answers. And finally, we have the RFP page, right? And I have a template here, super dummy RFP that just I copied from another one. Again, your RFP will look different. But what we have the unique requirement IDs, which I'm going to copy paste to my template. Let me just do that. I have a questions / requirements, which I'm going to copy paste as well to my template. And I also have, some additional information like additional columns. I can also copy paste to my template as optional columns. So you'll see in the how-to guide how to do that. But I know that these 6 questions are related to modern work. So I have a drop-down list of all available filters in my modern work, right? And probably I believe that, okay, it's something to do with Purview Data Lifecycle Manager. I have no idea, I'm not a modern WordPress specialist, but let's just guess it is, right? And unfortunately, Excel doesn't allow you to select multiple filters on a go. However, you can type them by using comma. So for example, you can simply say, I want to add Purview general or something else. You can type those multiple filters in one cell, right? Or you can just simply populate it to another cell and copy paste back. So in my case, let's just have these 2 populated. Let me just copy paste. And I simply just copy paste them to all the cells, right? All the rows. Same I would do with the ERP or business application requirements. I simply also copy paste it back to my template here. And then also the questions, as you can see, the first 2 are about company. So I think I can guess it's a corporate related, and the remaining ones are finance, ledger, general ledger. So I might guess they're more finance related questions. So what I can do, I can select general on the corporate for the first 2. If I had many, I would just copy paste, and I will select finance to everything else. So again, well, sorry, that's the wrong one. This is BizApps here. So I'll select finance for everything else. So again, we kind of tell the app, okay, where you need to look for the answer. So in theory, I can ignore all these filters and just tell the app to search everywhere, but it's best practice to do the filters and let the application to search in a specific knowledge base, specific category that will definitely give you the better answers. So next, I'll save this file and I attach it or upload it to the app. So, and then click submit. Let's just wait for the result. So you'll receive an email with the response and the link to the response file. Let's just quickly open that. So what's going to happen next? the file will contain the responses based on the filters you selected. So as you can see here, we selected purview, data lifecycle management, preview general, and AI generated an answer, and even with some sources of information. So what we really need to do now is to do an eye check of every answer. Unfortunately, as I said in the beginning, we cannot trust the app with 100% correctness. And usually what I do, as you can see column F, I usually just review the answer, and if it's correct, I select yes. If it's not correct, I select no. And what it does, it automatically populates me the last column. Why it's so important? Because then I can simply copy paste this last column to my original RFP. And how I do that? Please look at the intro slides, because it will show you the formula you can use to copy it back to your original RFP. So this is how it all works. Now, if you go back to the original statistics slide, you'll see that there are some numbers you can refer to. And honestly, based on my test with the correct filter selected, with some proper eye check done, I really can believe that the answers are about 80% plus correct. So feel free to reach out to me if you need any help with the application, with filters. Don't hesitate to really send me a message. I'm happy to help with any response, because I really want to evolve this app and see how it goes, to help every seller to save the number of hours per day, month, or year on responding super difficult RFPs sometimes. So thanks again for watching, and feel free to reach out when you want to. Thanks.